back to the Nope Chefs. Today we are making a very popular street food, egg bhurji. Let's get started. We require some ginger, garlic and green chilli finely minced, chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, chopped bell pepper, 1.5 tablespoon of clarified butter, minced coriander, 2 large eggs, powdered spices, garam masala, chilli, coriander, cumin, salt and pepper. Heat the ghee in a pan in a low to medium flame. Once heated, add in the onions. Stir fry till they change their color. Next goes in the ginger, garlic and green chilli. Fry them till the raw smell is gone. Introduce the tomatoes next. Cook for about a minute, just until they're soft. Throw in the bell peppers next. Stir for about 1.5 minutes, just until they're soft. Next goes in the spices, all at once, although show them a little more love than I did. Now, we are trying to be healthy and we used very less ghee. You're welcome to use more. We'll just add some water so that the spices are well mixed and get to know each other better. Cover it up for about 2 minutes. Check for any residual water, evaporate. Pour in the beaten eggs. Stir well. Keep stirring till we get a nice homogeneous mixture. Please remember that eggs do dry up even after you take them off the heat, so turn off the heat when you think you're a little runny. Time for plating. Sprinkle some coriander leaves for a splash of green for garnishing. The taste test. Taking a tiny portion because it's very hot. The burn in the mouth was worth it. It's absolutely delicious.